This is one of the most important model in integration. So this model questions already given in the previous year mains examination. So how to do this model question? Integration of 3 into e power x minus 5 into e power minus x whole divided by 4 into e power x plus 5 into e power minus x into dx is equals to ax plus b into log of 4 into e power x plus 5 into e to the power of minus x. See here in this problem we have that LHS and RHS two values are given. So in this A and B are that required values according to from the given options. So the simple method is the reverse method. Reverse method means differentiating on both sides with respect to x. So differentiate with respect to x. If you differentiate with respect to x on both sides, so then we get that 3 into e to the power of x minus 5 into e to the power of minus x whole divided by 4 into e to the power of x plus 5 into e to the power of minus x is equals to a plus so what is that log of this 4 into e power x plus 5 into e power minus x? That is nothing but b into 1 whole divided by 4 into e power x plus 5 into e to the power of minus x. Again you differentiate this value 4 into e power x minus 5 into e to the power of minus x. Now you take that LCM. So what is the left hand side? 3 into e to the power of x minus 5 into e to the power of minus x whole divided by 4 into e power x plus 5 into e to the power of minus x is equals to, after you taking the LCM, 4 into e power x plus 5 into e to the power of minus x. Here numerator is that a into 4 into e power x plus 5 into e to the power of minus x plus b into 4 into e to the power of x minus 5 into e to the power of minus x. So here LCM will be cancelled on both sides. So then what is that numerator value? That is that 3 into e power x minus 5 into e to the power of minus x is equals to a into 4 into e power x plus 5 into e to the power of minus x plus b into 4 into e power x minus 5 into e to the power of minus x. Then next we compare that coefficient of e power x and e power minus x on both sides. First of all, what is that e power x coefficient? 4a. Here is that 4 into b. Here is that 3. So therefore we can write that 4a plus 4b is equals to this value is that 3. So you take this one as that equation 1. And next one is comparing that e to the power of minus x coefficient. Here is that 5a and here is that minus 5b. Here is that minus 5. So this value will be equals to, that is that 5a minus 5b is equals to minus 5. Now dividing with the 5 on both sides, that value will be a minus b is equals to minus 1. So let it be, this is that equation 2. Solving that 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2. So by solving 1 and 2, so here we get that first equation is that 4a, that is that 4a plus 4b is equals to 3. And the second equation, so you should multiply with the 4 on both sides, that is that 4a minus 4b is equals to minus 4. Okay, now by adding these two, here is that plus 4b and minus 4b is the cancel. The result will be, it is a 4a plus 4a is that 8a is equals to, this is that minus 1. So now from this a is equals to, this value is that minus 1 by 8. I got it that a is equals to minus 1 by 8. This value put that in equation 2. So from equation 2, so what is that value? Here b is equals to, you can write that a plus 1. So a value is nothing but minus 1 by 8, okay, plus 1, that is equals to, finally this value will be nothing but minus 1 plus 8 by 8, that is equals to 7 by 8. So b is equals to, therefore b is equals to 7 by 8 is that final result. So here is that a value is minus 1 by 8 and b value is that 7 by 8. So check that given options, a value is the minus 1 by 8 and b value is that 7 by 8. Your right option is that a is the correct option. I hope that everyone is clear this problem, how to find that a and b value. In the same model, we will go to that one more question, that will be integration of x cube whole divided by square root of 1 plus x square into dx is equals to a into 1 plus x square whole to the power of 3 by 2 plus b into square root of 1 plus x square. Now differentiating on both sides, when we differentiate on both sides, left hand side will be that x cube whole divided by root of 1 plus x square is equals to a into 1 plus x square whole to the power of 3 by 2, derivative is 3 by 2 into 1 plus x square whole to the power of 1 by 2 into 1 plus x square, derivative is the 2x, plus b into root 1 plus x square, derivative is that 1 by 2 into root of 1 plus x square into 1 plus x square, derivative is that 2x. So here is that, by observing here 2 and 2 will be the cancel here, and here 2 and 2 will be the cancel. Now this one we can write that, what is the left hand side value? X cube whole divided by square root of 1 plus x square is equals to, this value will be 3a into 1 plus x square whole to the power of 1 by 2 into x, plus this one is that b into x whole divided by root of 1 plus x square. Now you take LCM on right side. So here left hand side is that x cube whole divided by root of 1 plus x square is equals to, this value LCM will be root of 1 plus x square, Now the numerator value is that 3a into 1 plus x square into x, okay, plus b into x. You see here both sides LCM, root 1 plus x square is the cancel. Then we can write that 3x cube is equals to 3a into x cube plus x plus b into x. Now comparing the coefficients of like terms on both sides. First you compare that x cube coefficient. So x cube coefficient, left hand side is that 1 and right side is that 3a. Therefore 3a is equals to 1. This is the coefficient of x cube. From this one you can write that a is equals to, what is that value? 1 by 3. A is equals to 1 by 3. So I got it that a is equals to 1 by 3. And next one is that coefficient of x. So left hand side x term is x power 1 is not there. Right side is that 3a. 3a plus b is equals to, this value will be 0. You know 3a is equals to, already I got it that 1. So by substituting this one is that 1 plus b is equals to, that is equals to 0. From this we can write that b is equals to, what is that value? Minus 1. So here that b is equals to minus 1. A is equals to 1 by 3 and b is equals to minus 1. A is equals to 1 by 3 and b is equals to minus 1. Which option in the given one? D is the correct answer. I hope this problem is also very clear to all of you. Okay, and see one more question in the same model I will give you. So this one is one more question. Integration of dx whole divided by x plus 2 into x square plus 1 is equals to a into log of 1 plus x square plus b into tan inverse x plus 1 by 5 into log of x plus 2. Same model, differentiating with respect to x on both sides. You will be get that 1 whole divided by x plus 2 into 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square is equals to, here is that this value is that a into log of 1 plus x square derivative is that 1 by 1 plus x square into 2x plus b into tan inverse x. Tan inverse x derivative is 1 by 1 plus x square. So b by 1 plus x square, okay, plus 1 by 5 into log of x plus 2 derivative is that 1 by x plus 2. So here c is that integral constant. Derivative of constant is the 0. Now you take that LCM on the right side. This LCM will be nothing but 1 plus x square into 1 plus x square into 5 into 1 plus x square into x plus 2. So here that numerator value, what will be the numerator value? This one will be that 5a into x plus 2, 5a into x plus 2 into 2x plus, here is that this value is that 5b into x plus 2, okay, plus here this value will be 1 plus x square. So this is that numerator value. So here left side and right side LCM will be the same. So you cancel this part and this part. So you will be get that 1 is equals to, this one is 1 is equals to 10a into x square plus 2 into x plus 5b into x plus 2, 5b into x plus 2 plus this value is the 1 plus x square. So now comparing the coefficients of like terms on both sides. First you see highest power is that x square. Comparing the coefficient of x square on both sides. Here left hand side there is no x square term. Therefore you can write that 10 into a plus 1 is equals to 0. From this one you will be get, what is that value of a? A is equals to minus 1 by 10. So I hope everyone is clear how to get this value. And next one is comparing the coefficient of x. So here x coefficient will be, here 2 is there, outside 10 into a is there. So totally 20 into a. 20 into a, and next one here is that 5b is there, so plus 5 into b, okay, and left hand side there is no x term, so that value will be equals to 0. From this one we can write that here the 10a is equals to minus 1, so 20a is equals to minus 2, so minus 2 plus 5 into b is equals to 0. From this value b is equals to, how much this value? 2 by 5. B is equals to 2 by 5. So actually in the question the required values are that a and b. A is equals to minus 1 by 10 and b is equals to 2 by 5. So what is that right option in that given question? Very clearly C is the right option. So I hope everyone is clear this problem. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.